On this new short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix snapshot camera in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. On this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you want to do is scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find Snapchat, click on it like this, and now click on force stop and go down here to the permissions. Make sure to enable the camera permission. Go back, click on data usage, make sure everything is enabled, and then click on storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on the power usage details, click on the app launch, and make sure that all those three options, the auto launch, secondary launch, run in background, everything should be enabled like this. And then go to the top here, enable this manage automatically, and click OK. Now turn off your phone, turn it on again, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.